We're back with even more great events to keep your summer rolling on before it's gone. So check it out. Do you need to relax more? Well, check out our amazing coloring book and you could have a more beautiful day. Check the link in the description. Welcome back, Localtarians. It's Amanda and we are here for July 29th, 30th, and 31st for your Local Love Report. All right, guys, you got to get out there and enjoy this summer while it's here. And you know we got to get out there and check out our beautiful city. So let's do a little bit of all of that and enjoy some local music and art. And oh, we got it for you, baby. So let's get started. Friday, Summer Art Camp at Orlando Museum of Art. $50 and up, going on now until August 9th. 8 a.m. School Supply Drive and Garage Sale at A La Carte Orlando. Coming out to A La Carte, enjoy some food truck love and check out some great stuff going on for the garage sale, as well as bring out your school supplies so you can help support this community. 9 a.m. on Friday, LeakyCon 2022 at Orange County Convention Center. Come on out for all those muggles and magical folk out there. You're going to enjoy it. And it's $69 and up, going on until July 31st. 10 a.m. Junior Decorators Workshop. This time they're doing funfetti drip cakes. So come on out to D&G Occasions and let them learn how it's done. 2 p.m. Seussical the Musical Junior at Alexis and Jim Pugh's Theater, Dr. Phillips Center for the Performing Arts. And it's $25 to $30 to come on into this great musical adventure and check it out. 6 p.m. on Friday, Paint, Pour, Ornaments, Christmas in July with Alan Ender at Hometown Furniture and Decor Market. 6:30 p.m. Blood on the Clock Tower at Blackbird Comics and Coffee House. 6:30 p.m. Parking Lot Party at Wally's Mills Avenue Liquors. And it's free, so come on out, enjoy music and lots of fun right there at our good old favorite spot, Wally's. 8 p.m. Gothic Manor at Orlando Repertory Theater, and that's $15 to $35, going on now until July 31st. So come on out and enjoy a little theater and support our local theater troops. 8 p.m. on Friday, Sasquatch, Hippie Death Cult, Hollow Leg, Howling Midnight at Will's Pub Orlando, and that's $20 to come in and enjoy these amazing local musicians for yourself and let them know that Local Love sent you their way. All right, guys, I know what you're thinking. We didn't get enough events for this weekend. Well, ring that bell and subscribe today because we're going to bring you even more great events right there on our Local Love Orlando Facebook page. And of course, you want to check that out so that you don't miss it. We put new event posts up every single day on our page. All right, guys, let's get into Saturday. 9 a.m. Scoops and Spokes Bike Rodeo and Repair Day at the Plaza Live. It's a free event, so come on out, get your bike out there and enjoy getting ready to go for a ride. 10 a.m. One Love, One Heart Multicultural Festival at Walt Disney Amphitheater, Lake Eola Park. Come on out for this great free event and show your love. And of course, enjoy some of these amazing vendors and the beauty of our own Lake Eola. 10 a.m. Sculpt and Sip, Get Wired at Alvin Polasak Museum and Sculpture Garden. And it's $70 to $75 to come on out and enjoy some adult beverages while you sculpt your masterpiece. 11 a.m. Tailored Looks Clothing Drive back to school at Nightshade Lounge, and it's free. Tailored Looks has partnered with nonprofit organizations serving out of love to host a back-to-school clothing drive. You can support by giving your donations or monetary donations in this case, and you can give them a call at 321-758-5528 for more information. I'll put that down in the link in the description. 1 p.m. Tacos and tequila at Cheyenne Saloon and Opera House. All right, guys, amazing opportunity to get out there and enjoy the beautiful Cheyenne Saloon and Opera House. $45 to $85. You can get out there and tequila taco yourself all day. 1:45 p.m. Mark with a C. Virtual charity show for Florida Access Network online. We're going to put the link so that you can go and enjoy this great show with Mark with a C in the description. So make sure you check that out. He always does an amazing job, and it's been a minute since we've gotten a chance to enjoy him. So make sure you support this drive. 6 p.m. Fear of God. Mother's Earth debut solo exhibition at Downtown Arts Collective, and it's free. 7 p.m. Catch Me If You Can. It's Steinmetz Hall. Dr. Phillips Center for the Performing Arts, $25 to $35, and going on now until July 30th. 7 p.m. Luau at Nona Adventure Park. All right, guys, come on out and enjoy a great day on the water and some great food. And last but not least, for your Saturday night, O-Town Social Graphic Tea Night with live music at DGBEX Studios. All right, guys, and as we said before, make sure you follow us on all our platforms. If you're a musician, or maybe you're an artist, a creator, a maker, whatever your deal is, and you've got something that you want us to share, let us know. We'd love to hear all about it. And of course, as we mentioned, you can always reach us on our Local Love Orlando Entertainment Facebook page, or you can catch us on Instagram as well. All right, guys, let's move into sum up our beautiful weekend. Sunday. All right, guys, 3rd annual Longwood Police Back to School event at Longwood Community Building. Come on out and support your community and help these kids get the supplies that they need. 10 a.m. on Sunday, Jewelry Workshop Intro to Jewelry at Malin Arts Center. 11 a.m. Summer of Sharks at Sea Life Aquarium, Icon Park. This is going to be going on until August 7th, $34.99 to $60 to come out and show your kids what the sharks are up to. 11 a.m. on Sunday, Paw Patrol Live, The Great Pirate Adventure at Edition Financial Arena, $15 to $19, going on until July 31st. So make sure you get out there before it's gone. 12 p.m., the Florida Vintage Market at Ace Cafe Orlando. This free event is always a lot of fun, so get out there looking for those vintage items and all the amazing stuff, something special for that special person in your life. Hey, you could even start doing a little Christmas shopping, so come check it out. 2 p.m., Fair of the Dog at Will's Pub. Another great free event and market, so come on out and support your community. Let them know that we said hey right here at Local Love. 2 p.m. on Sunday, On Your Feet, the story of Emilio and Gloria Stefan at Garden Theater. $15 to $30, and it's going on until July 31st. Make sure you don't miss this beautiful love story. 5 p.m. on Sunday, Memphis Mayfire, From Ashes to New, Rain City Drive, Wolves at the Gate at the Beach Home. And that's $25 to get you in to enjoy some amazing music. So come on out and support this great local venue. 7 p.m. Heathers, the musical. High school cast at Theater West End, $12 to $20. And it's going on till just July 31st. So don't miss out on this great opportunity to see this on stage. 8 p.m. The Darling Fire. Here, here. Sad Halen at Will's Pub. $10. You can come in and support these great local bands and enjoy a nice craft cocktail while you're there. Lots of fun things to enjoy, beautiful art on the walls, and just a great time with great people. So make sure you do not miss it, and we'll see you there. All right, guys, and as we said, make sure you wrap up your weekend strong. If you need even more great events, don't you worry. They're there on our homepage every single day. Local Love Orlando Entertainment Facebook page will have a new event post posted to it. And of course, you can see it the day before around 2 p.m. every single day. So make sure you check it out in our feed or wait till we post it the next day. All right, guys, if you have any questions about what we do or if you want to see some other things, maybe you've got some events you want to share or a great new local spot, let us know. We're always happy to hear from you guys. And other than that, guys, peace. We will catch you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.